The biggest restoration mistakes happen before the restoration even begins. Before we blame time, we must ask, are we restoring heritage or reshaping it? Incomplete diagnosis equals temporary solutions and fatal problems later on. Interventions that distort the authenticity of the site instead of preserving it. Time pressure, the #1 enemy of scientific restoration. Without management and maintenance, any restoration will fail within years. Heritage is not a project we complete, but a responsibility we manage. What do you think is the most dangerous reason